used up. Drop. Now go on, beat it. Let's play, boy. They must have a model. You mean they was your model? Well, tomatoes. I want one. Even my name is Tomato. Do you want them back? Mm-hmm. Come on, let's get on with it. You beat Darby. Ha ha! Someone for Come in. Oh, sir. Hello, Buckwheat. I see you're in trouble again. And how? By the way, Buckwheat, how old are you? 4. How old are you, Porky? Huh? I said, how old are you? 3 or so. Well, 3 and 4 add up to 7, so I guess you kids are still young enough to need our protection. All right. Court's in order. Put your hand here. You promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and everything but the truth? I do. Tell the judge what happened. Tell the 2 guys took my marbles, hey? And 2 guys, the others have face him a mater, didn't you? Nah. 2 boys took your marbles away and hit you with tomatoes. How big was they? It don't make any difference how big they were. We promised to protect the weak. Well, anyway, bigger they are, harder we fall. Harder we fall. The sky is number 1.